This video is brought to you by Help Young Minds, and I am your host, Alycia. In today's video, we will be working with fractions, specifically understanding how to add and subtract fractions. Let's look at our first example, 4 over 5 plus 3 over 7. The first step we need to do is to find a common denominator between the fractions. A common denominator is a number on the denominator of both of our fractions that are the same. For our example, we have 5 and 7 as our denominators, which are not common denominators. The easiest way to find a common denominator among two fractions is to multiply the denominator of your first fraction by the entire second fraction, and multiply the denominator of your second fraction by the entire first fraction. In our case, we have 7 multiplied by 4 over 5, and we have 5 multiplied by 3 over 7. Now that we've done this, we get the fractions 28 over 35 and 15 over 35. We can now see that we have a common denominator as both denominator values are 35. Now that we have both denominators the same, we can simply add the numerators of each fraction together. So we have 28 plus 15 divided by 35, which is equal to 43 divided by 35 as our final answer. The same rules can be applied when subtracting fractions. Let's take our example 8 over 9 minus 5 over 6. First, we will need to find a common denominator. We can do this by multiplying the denominator of the first fraction by the entire second fraction, and multiplying the denominator of the second fraction by the entire first fraction. So we'll get 6 times 8 over 9 and 9 times 5 over 6. Now we have the fractions 48 over 54 and 45 over 54, where 54 is our common denominator. Now that the denominators are the same, we can subtract the numerators of each fraction. We get 48 minus 45 over 54, which is equal to 3 over 54 as our final answer. Below are some practice problems with solutions for you to try at home. Remember, the most important step is finding the common denominator, as we cannot add or subtract fractions together that do not have the same denominator values. In the next video, we will look at how to multiply and divide fractions. Thanks for watching.